Have you ever wished you could move money from PayPal straight into your Chime account without headache? Well, good news, you can. And today, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Stick around because I will also share a trick to get your money instantly towards the end of this video. Before we get started, make sure you check out the link below in our video description. Okay, step 1. Link Chime to PayPal. First things first, you will need to link your Chime account to PayPal. Just open PayPal, move to Wallet and tap Link a bank account. Enter your Chime routing and account number, which you can find inside your Chime app under Move Money, Direct Deposit. Once you confirm, PayPal might send 2 small deposits to verify. It's quite easy, right? Step 2. Transfer money. Now, once Chime is linked, transferring money is quite simple. Open PayPal, go back to Wallet, tap Transfer Money and choose Transfer to Bank. Select your Chime account. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm. That's it. Step 3. Instant transfer option. If you want your money right away, instead of linking your bank account, you can link your Chime debit card to PayPal. This lets you send money instantly, but PayPal charges a small fee, usually 1.75%. And that's how you send money from PayPal to Chime, either free with standard transfers or fast with instant transfer. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick money tips and let me know in the comments, do you prefer instant transfers with a fee or are you cool waiting a couple of days for free?